the future is here. Electric scooters are taking over our streets, saving the planet and redefining convenience. But here's the real question. If you had to choose between the Honda e-Activa and the Hero Vida V1, which would you pick? Both are game changers in the EV space, but only one can win this ultimate showdown. Stick around to find out who claims the crown. 1. The showdown begins. Let's start with the basics. Price. Honda's e-Activa starts at an estimated INR 1.10 lakh, while Hero Vida V1 is priced slightly higher at INR 1.35 lakh. The question is, does Hero's extra cost bring more value? Hold on to that thought, because what you're about to see might surprise you. 2. Battery and range. Now, let's dive into the heart of any EV, the battery and range. Honda e-Activa boasts a 3.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery, promising a range of 120 kilometers on a single charge. Not bad, right? But here's the twist. Hero Vida V1 kicks it up a notch with a 3.44 kilowatt-hour battery, stretching the range to 140 kilometers. That's almost 20% more. In a recent survey, 58% of Indian users said range anxiety is their top concern. So Hero scores big here. 3. Charging speed. But what about charging speed? No one wants to be stuck for hours waiting for their scooter to juice up. Honda's e-Activa takes 4 hours to fully charge, while Hero Vida V1 cuts it down to just 3 hours. And get this, Hero also offers a fast charging option that gets you up to 70% in just 45 minutes. 4. Performance and features. Now, let's talk performance. The Honda e-Activa comes with a top speed of 60 km per hour, perfect for city commutes. Hero Vida V1, on the other hand, edges ahead with a top speed of 65 km per hour. It's not a massive difference, but speed enthusiasts will appreciate it. And here's a cool fact. Hero Vida V1 includes a regenerative braking system, which can extend the range by up to 10%. Honda's got its own tricks, though, like swappable batteries, making long rides super convenient. Segment 5. Comfort and design. When it comes to comfort and design, both scooters shine. Honda's e-Activa sticks to its classic timeless design that appeals to all age groups. Meanwhile, Hero Vida V1 has a more modern and edgy look that's targeting younger riders. Surveys show that 78% of millennials prefer a stylish design in their vehicles. So if you're all about turning heads, Hero might be your pick. But for fans of Honda's legendary build quality, the e-Activa's sleek simplicity can't be beaten. 6. Tech and smart features. In the tech department, it's a tough fight. Honda e-Activa comes equipped with smart keyless ignition, Bluetooth connectivity, and an anti-theft alarm. Hero Vida V1 matches that and adds voice-activated controls and geofencing for extra security. Plus, both scooters come with a companion app that tracks performance, battery health, and more. Segment 7. Environmental impact. Now, why are we all switching to EVs? The environment, of course. Both scooters claim to reduce carbon emissions by nearly 60% compared to petrol scooters. That's like planting 6 trees for every 1,000 kilometers you ride. Impressive, right? 8. The verdict. So who wins the battle? Here's the summary. Range. Hero Vida V1 takes the lead. Charging speed. Hero wins again with fast charging. Performance and features. Hero edges ahead with speed and regenerative braking. Price. Honda e-Activa is more affordable. Design and comfort, it's a tie, depending on your preference. Final verdict, if you prioritize range, performance and tech, go for the Hero Vida V1. But if affordability and convenience are your priorities, Honda's e-Activa is a solid choice. We hope you enjoyed this electrifying showdown. Which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic comparisons like this. Until next time, ride safe and go green.